Alrighty guys, we went riding Monday. As you can see, the bike's a lot more muddier. We went to sleigh balls, or sloppy balls, whatever they want to call it. Anyways, we got out there, it was kind of shitty getting in. We had to find a way in. It's been a mixed mixture of clay and mud. So we kind of got stuck or whatever, so I definitely need to get different tires for this, but we finally made it. Robbie's bike, all we had to do was slap that starter on, and it fired right up, thank God. So it don't seem to be, I guess, internal. It's having a popping noises, like this one did. So we're thinking it's the intake, but we don't know until we replace that. So it could possibly be internal, but hoping it's just a boot, because it did sit out for a while. So maybe it dry rotted or something. But and then we get out there, and I'm back to the shitty phone, my old phone, for videos. I lost it, $100 phone down the drain, probably a week old or whatever. I lost it out there, so my wife was pissed. So anyways, she ran really well. I was very pleased with her. Can't complain. And since I lost my phone, I got to stay out there a little longer and got to try out the headlights. Worked beautifully. It's just highs, but I could see everything pretty clearly. So that was pretty cool. Got the night ride. So yeah. And then I'm coming down to for the reverse part. I'm coming down to pretty much this here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll try to point to it. This one here, you've got to push it down and pulls out or whatever. I don't know. This one here is for the parking brake, but there's a clutch one that pretty much on these newer ones, it lets it know that it's in neutral and the clutch is depressed to put it in reverse. So that's gone. But if anybody that knows anything about these Yamaha Warriors, I'd be more than happy to know exactly where the wires run to for that, because the wires are here for the brake. Let me see right here, and pretty much it looks like the same setup. So since the parking brake and all that's gone, I was just going to take this out and get the rest of that crap out of there and try to use that, so at least have reverse. But either way, I didn't have too much trouble for the reverse part. I mean, it does come in handy. That's kind of why I stuck with. That's what kind of why I went with this. Pretty much 300EXs were on the high side of buying, and they needed a lot of work or nothing, or needed a lot of work or a little less. But this one here, like I said, was $1,000. So far, I only had to replace the boot and the clutch cable. So can't complain. But that's an update for Monday that we didn't get videos of, so which kind of sucks. I had a video, but I lost a phone, so kind of got screwed on that. And I want to do is kind of a sound test and see if this phone does pretty good on sound on the bike. So let's start her up and let's see what we get. So that died. She's not popping, so that's good. It's also cold as fuck and the gas is off. Try not to piss the neighbors off here. She's cold. What the hell? Truck has to be on, I guess. Can't hold it. There she does. Alright. Well, that's an update for what happened Monday. Still runs. I'm going to try to go out Tuesday. We did go to the other place, known as Lock 17 there. So, that's a different place. It's down by Tuscarawas River there. So, try to stay away from the river a little bit. It's probably froze or whatever. So, well, that's an update, guys. Please rate, subscribe. That's about it. But if anybody knows where them wires go to, and if that would possibly work using that for the reverse, so I can get the reverse going, that'd be greatly appreciated. All right, guys, take her easy.